guys, today I will show you how to make a YouTube video. First, please click like button and subscribe, and of course the notification bell. So click the subscribe and notification bell like this video. So hi guys, today I will show you how to make a YouTube video. First, you need to go in the Play Store, then click and search video editor for YouTube, and click video editor for YouTube and video maker my movie. Then after you install, open this app. So open this app, my movie. So after you open, click video, then click whatever you want to edit, then click this button, and then click this button. After you click this here, so click here to post. Click here to post this video, then click this effect. After you click this is show. Here, click this. So here, then click or press icon, add effect. Then check it, then click this button, then here. After that, you can then that is then wait for a minute to download this video. Then you can add this video on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook. You can also add this in TikTok, and then that's done. And that after that, and bye. See you on my next video.